In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, creators are constantly seeking ways to stand out and maximize their potential. Enter AI tools, game changers that can significantly enhance your channel's performance. These innovative technologies not only streamline content creation, but also automate various tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, engaging your audience. By leveraging AI, you can unlock new avenues for monetization and growth, making your channel more efficient and profitable. Imagine having the ability to analyze viewer behavior, optimize video titles, and even generate content ideas with just a few clicks. The right AI tools can help you achieve this, transforming your YouTube journey into a more productive experience. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, these tools require minimal technical skills, making them accessible to everyone. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find out more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. In this video, we will explore 5 cutting-edge AI tools that can elevate your YouTube channel. From enhancing video quality to optimizing your content strategy, these tools are designed to empower you and take your channel to new heights. Get ready to discover how AI can revolutionize your approach to YouTube. 1. AI video editing tools. When it comes to creating engaging YouTube content, video editing can often be a time-consuming task. Fortunately, AI video editing tools like Descript and Magisto are here to revolutionize the process. These platforms offer seamless editing experiences that can significantly reduce the time you spend on post-production. Descript stands out with its unique feature of automatic transcription, allowing you to edit your video by simply editing the text. This means you can cut, rearrange, or enhance your footage without needing to scrub through hours of video. Additionally, Descript's Smart Video Cuts feature intelligently identifies the best moments in your footage, ensuring that your final product is polished and engaging. On the other hand, Magisto leverages AI to automate the entire editing process. By analyzing your raw footage, it can create compelling videos with minimal input from you. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily add music, effects, and transitions, making it perfect for creators who want to produce high-quality content quickly. By incorporating these AI video editing tools into your workflow, you can save valuable time and focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience. 2. AI content generation tools. Creating engaging video scripts can be a daunting task, but AI content generation tools like Jasper and Copy AI are changing the game for YouTube creators. These platforms are designed to help you generate high-quality scripts quickly, allowing you to focus more on production and less on brainstorming ideas. Jasper, for instance, uses advanced algorithms to understand your topic and audience, generating compelling scripts that resonate with viewers. With its intuitive interface, you can easily customize the tone and style, ensuring that the content aligns with your unique voice. Similarly, Copy AI offers a range of templates and suggestions, making it simple to create captivating introductions, outlines, and even calls to action. While these tools can significantly speed up the content creation process, it's essential to maintain your individuality. AI can provide a solid foundation, but your personal touch is what will truly engage your audience. By blending AI-generated content with your unique insights and experiences, you can create videos that not only inform, but also connect with viewers on a deeper level. Embrace these tools to enhance your creativity while staying true to your authentic voice. 3. AI SEO optimization tools. To ensure your YouTube videos reach a wider audience, leveraging AI SEO optimization tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ is essential. These platforms are designed to help creators optimize their video titles, descriptions, and tags, making it easier for viewers to discover your content. TubeBuddy offers a suite of features that analyze current trends and suggest relevant keywords tailored to your niche. By utilizing these insights, you can craft titles that not only capture attention, but also align with what viewers are actively searching for. Similarly, vidIQ provides real-time data on keyword performance, helping you make informed decisions about your content strategy. The impact of effective SEO on your video visibility cannot be overstated. Properly optimized videos are more likely to appear in search results and suggested video feeds, significantly increasing your chances of attracting new subscribers. As your channel grows, so does your potential for monetization and collaboration opportunities. By incorporating AI SEO tools into your workflow, you can enhance your content's discoverability, ensuring that your hard work reaches the audience it deserves. Embrace these tools to elevate your channel and maximize your growth potential. 4. AI thumbnail creation tools. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is crucial for attracting viewers to your YouTube videos, and tools like Canva and Snappa make this process easier than ever. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and a variety of templates specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails, allowing you to create stunning visuals that grab attention. Thumbnails serve as the first impression of your content, often determining whether a viewer clicks on your video or scrolls past it. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, leading to more views and potential subscribers. With Canva and Snappa, you can easily customize colors, fonts, and images to create a thumbnail that reflects your brand and entices viewers. Using AI-generated designs can further enhance the visual appeal of your thumbnails. These tools often suggest design elements based on current trends, ensuring your thumbnails are not only attractive, but also relevant. To maximize effectiveness, consider incorporating bold text, contrasting colors, and engaging imagery that conveys the essence of your video. By investing time in creating compelling thumbnails with these AI tools, you can elevate your channel's visual identity and attract a larger audience. 5. AI analytics tools. To truly understand your YouTube channel's performance, utilizing AI analytics tools like Social Blade and Google Analytics is essential. These platforms provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, engagement levels, and overall channel growth, enabling you to make informed decisions about your content strategy. Social Blade offers a comprehensive overview of your channel's statistics, including subscriber growth, video views, and estimated earnings. By analyzing this data, you can identify trends and patterns that reveal what content resonates most with your audience. Similarly, Google Analytics allows you to track user interactions, such as watch time and traffic sources, giving you a deeper understanding of how viewers discover and engage with your videos. Emphasizing data-driven decisions is crucial for channel growth. By leveraging the insights gained from these analytics tools, you can refine your content strategy, optimize posting schedules, and tailor your videos to better meet your audience's preferences. This approach not only enhances viewer satisfaction, but also increases the likelihood of attracting new subscribers. By integrating AI analytics into your workflow, you can transform raw data into actionable strategies, ultimately driving your channel's success and growth. 6. AI monetization tools. As a YouTube creator, exploring AI monetization tools such as Patreon and Ko-fi can significantly enhance your revenue-generating capabilities. These platforms provide innovative ways for creators to monetize their content beyond traditional ad revenue, allowing you to build a sustainable income stream. Patreon enables you to offer exclusive content and perks to your most dedicated fans in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. This model not only fosters a sense of community, but also provides a reliable income source that can help you invest more in your channel. Similarly, Ko-fi allows creators to receive one-time donations or tips from supporters, making it easy for fans to show appreciation for your work without committing to a subscription. Diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term sustainability as a creator. Relying solely on ad revenue can be unpredictable, especially with changing algorithms and policies. By incorporating platforms like Patreon and Ko-fi, you can create multiple revenue channels that provide financial stability and allow you to focus on producing high-quality content. Embracing these monetization tools empowers you to grow your channel while ensuring that your creative efforts are rewarded. Key point summary. Let's recap. In this video, we explored a range of AI tools designed to enhance your YouTube channel and streamline your content creation process. We began with AI video editing tools like Descript and Magisto, which automate editing tasks and save you valuable time. Next, we discussed AI content generation tools such as Jasper and Copy.ai, which help you create engaging scripts quickly while maintaining your unique voice. We then highlighted AI SEO optimization tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, essential for improving your video visibility and driving channel growth. Following that, we introduced AI thumbnail creation tools like Canva and Snappa, emphasizing their role in attracting viewers with eye-catching designs. Lastly, we examined AI analytics tools such as Social Blade and Google Analytics, which provide insights into audience behavior, enabling data-driven decisions for your channel's success. By implementing these tools, you can enhance your efficiency and foster growth in your YouTube journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow creators. Click the link in the description below to find out more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers you to succeed on YouTube.